Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to download the Watch TNT app on an iPhone. But before I begin, please allow me to give a quick 10-second shout out to my merch store. I work with different artists to create cool and original fan art. I sell clothes, pillows, and many different accessories. Please check out my store to support the channel and the artists I work with. You can find the link to my store on the top of the comment section or the description of this video. Thanks. You can now get back to your video. We'll begin by opening up the App Store right here. Once it's opened, look on the bottom right hand corner, tap over here where it says search, and that should take you to the search page right here. So make sure you're on this page. When you get here, tap over here in the search bar, and then type in Watch TNT, and then search for it. And it's the very first result. This is the app. So tap on there. And then tap over here where it says get. And this should pop up. It's basically asking me to confirm if I want to download this app. And follow whatever instruction that they give you. Yours might be different, but this is what comes up for mine. And I'll just tap over here where they say double tap to install. And this is like a side button on my phone. There we go. And you start downloading right here. And this shows you the progress of the download. All right. And once it says open, go ahead and tap on where it says open. And it's saying, would I allow find connected devices on your network? So basically, this allows me to project whatever I'm watching to a TV. So usually, I'll advise you guys to click on OK to allow it if you're in your home. But if you're like on a stranger's Wi-Fi, maybe don't do it. Or if you're in a hotel, I wouldn't say do it. But if you feel safe on the network that you're on, go ahead and click on allow. So I'll go ahead and allow. And then it's asking me, do I want to allow notifications? I'll click on allow again. This is how you can download the Watch TNT app on an iPhone. If you have any other questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. If the video was helpful, click on the like button because that helps me. And if you want to watch more videos like this, subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching.